Why don't homes sell? Why don't homes sell? Do you know? It's a good question. Did you know that the average agent fails to sell the home almost 40% of the time? Why don't homes sell? Typically, they're overpriced. Sellers want to increase the price of their home to give them wiggle room, and typically that's going to put them out of the market. It's going to have the buyers, because you know the way the buyers look, they're going to look at the pictures, then they're going to look at the price. And if your price isn't in line with what they feel like the market is, then they're just going to pass it by. They're going to think that seller is going to be difficult to work with. They've overpriced their property. We'll just move on to the next one. Well, hi, it's Gary Evans at Evans Realty Group. And with our 16 key marketing systems, one of those, a number of those, are to make sure that your home is priced correctly. With a good pricing strategy, you're going to get more people looking at your home. You're going to get more offers, which in turn is going to drive the price. So you want to be careful and make sure that whoever you're dealing with, that you have a good pricing strategy. That's the number one reason that homes don't sell. The average agent fails to sell the home almost 40% of the time. Where in 2020, 100% of our listings sold every time. So it's part of our 16 key marketing systems we use to get your home sold. You can go to our website and you can check those out, read all about it. www.evansrealtygroup.com. We also want to let you know we're on a mission to raise $10,000 for Texas Children's Hospital, so your referrals and your business really do help the kids at Texas Children's. Thank you for that. Wanted to let everyone know that if you found this information valuable, please share it, like it, send it to a friend. And we're going to be talking to every one of you guys very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and everybody have a great day.